Hey there! Welcome to the ultimate guide on transferring USDT from your Safepal wallet to Binance. If you're new to crypto, don't worry. I've got you covered with easy step-by-step instructions. First things first, Safepal is a secure hardware and software wallet for your crypto, while Binance is one of the top cryptocurrency exchanges. Today, I'll show you how to make a smooth USDT transfer between them. Let's start by accessing your Safepal wallet. Unlock it using your seed phrase. Remember, it's crucial to keep this seed phrase offline and secure. It can be 12, 15, 18, 21, or 24 words, and the order matters a lot. Next, locate USDT on your Safepal wallet. Navigate through the interface and make sure you identify the correct network, whether it's BEP20, ERC20, or TRC20. This step is key. Now head over to Binance. Log in and go to the deposit section. Select USDT and match the network with the one from your Safepal. Copy the deposit address. Switch back to Safepal. Select USDT, click Send, and paste the Binance deposit address. Double-check that the network on both platforms matches. This is super important to avoid any loss of funds. Enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer. Review the transaction fees and make sure everything looks good. Double-check all details before confirming the transaction. To ensure everything goes smoothly, monitor the transaction status using a blockchain explorer like Etherscan, BSCscan, or TronScan, depending on your network. You'll want to confirm the deposit in your Binance account. And that's it! Just a few simple steps to safely transfer USDT from Safepal to Binance. Always double-check details to avoid common errors. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Happy trading! Thanks for watching.